Hello and welcome to the Godox Livestream Lighting Solutions. Today we are going to share with you tips on lighting setup for clothing livestreaming. I'll show you how to achieve a clear and bright visual effect in your clothing live streams by combining lighting with background design. To get such effect, it's essential to make precise adjustments over the background design and lighting setup. We chose a room with floor-to-ceiling windows, light brown walls, and dark gray floors for the live stream since the clothes were light colors. For the floor-to-ceiling windows, when decorating the room, we made fake windows and put a Godox flexible lights SL150III inside to simulate natural light, and it looks just like real windows. We chose a corner by the windows for the live stream because it adds depth to the visual aspect and makes the live stream more attractive. As for the lighting setup, we put the Godox SL150 on the right side behind the streamer with a 35 by 160 strip softbox. It'll be aimed at the streamer to create some contouring and separate her from the background, making her stand out more and create a sense of depth. To brighten up the area where the streamer moves during live streaming, we hung a Godox SL200 with a 140 cm octagon softbox overhead in the streaming area of the room. This serves as a top light source. A Godox SL150 with a QRP90 softbox was arranged above the left front, shining down on the streamer to provide frontal fill lighting for her. On the top of the right front, we also placed a Godox SL150 with QRP120 softbox, which served as the main light source to fill in the front of the streamer from the top down. Under the front of the streamer, we placed a Godox SL150 with a 60 by 90 rectangular softbox to fill in the light on the legs and the skirt of her. As the streamer needs to change the clothes frequently during the live streaming, we used Godox VDSM2 supercardioid camera mount shotgun microphone to capture audio for the stream. So that's our first episode of Livestream Lighting Setup. We will show you more types of lighting solutions of Livestream later. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe us. Have a nice day and see you next time.